Welcome to an exclusive sanctuary perched high on the cliffs of Riviera Nayarit. Welcome to Private Home 13 at One&Only Mandarina. Mandarina isn't just a resort, it's one of the world's most celebrated destinations. Tucked into one of Mexico's last remaining coastal rainforests, this 80-acre heaven has been recognized by Condé Nast Traveler, Forbes, named one of the world's 50 best hotels for 2 years in a row, and honored with 3 Michelin Keys. The project was envisioned to blend luxury with sustainability, prioritizing low-impact architecture and deep connection with the surroundings. Private Home 13 reflects a contemporary design rooted in the Mandarina ethos, open architecture, natural materials, and organic flow. Every surface, from warm wood to soft-toned stone, is chosen to enhance the surrounding environment and invite it inward. This home isn't just built on the land, it becomes part of it. Spanning over 8,000 square feet, this residence feels expansive yet intimate. The villa offers 4 serene bedroom suites, 2 king rooms and 2 with queen beds, each with its own private terrace and ensuite, designed to enhance wellness, privacy, and that effortless sense of calm you feel throughout the entire Mandarina property. The central living space features floor-to-ceiling sliding walls that open completely, blurring the line between indoor comfort and the surrounding nature, crafting a home that breathes with its environment. Step outside and you'll find an infinity pool with stunning ocean views, a sun-drenched deck, and an alfresco barbecue area. Here, every day feels like a retreat. Residents enjoy exclusive access to Mandarina's world-class offerings, from Michelin-star dining led by renowned Mexican chef Enrique Olvera to rejuvenating spa rituals surrounded by nature, a jungle gym view, one of the few in-resort world-class polo fields, over 35 miles of scenic jungle trails, a dedicated kids-only club, and now a brand-new Greco-Norman designed golf course that brings a playful yet elevated experience to the community. Private Home 13, now listed for sale, offers a sense of calm unlike anywhere else. The sound of the ocean, the stillness of the trees, and the feeling of being completely immersed in nature. Discover more at vivreliving.com. We hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible property videos. Until next time.